Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to talk about the we have talked about the basic structure, and in last video we had made our first page. Now in this video we are going to talk about HTML basics and particularly paragraphs, which is the P element. So we use the P element to create paragraphs. We simply type or we simply open a tag like this, and when we type something and we close the paragraph like this. So this is how we create a paragraph. So let us look at a live example. I have already told you about how we make a basic structure of HTML. I have told you, and it takes a lot of time typing it, so I will just paste it, and we type this P element in our body tag. So we type it over here. For example, I type my name is Faraz, and we close this tag. After that, I write welcome to KIDWAI, KIDWAI, KIDWAI Academy, and we close this tag. So when this is how paragraph element works. Now we are going to talk about single line break. Now this is how we write paragraphs. Now what if you need to change or break a line? So we use a BR tag, like this BR tag between the line where we want to break it. For example, I want to break the line welcome to KIDWAI Academy, so I simply type BR together, and we don't have to close and open this tag. We just have to put an slash sign over here, and we just close this tag. So now when I will run this, the KIDWAI Academy will come down of it. So we save this with let's say i.html, and we save this. I have already told you that you need to save with .html extension to make it a web page. So friends, let's go and see that how our page looks like. So this is how, where is it? Yes, this is how our page looks like. So let's open it. So you see, this is the work of P element, and this is what the work of BR tag. This broke the line into two parts. Welcome to KIDWAI Academy. This broke the line into two parts. So you see, my name is Faraz is a and now you must be thinking that we can directly write in the sentence, then why do we need it? So in that tutorial we just had to write one line, but now when we have to work with different lines, so we have to use this. Thank you.